There's some more lights over here. And the second fireplace.
See, here's like all the cable stuff is right here. So it must come in from somewhere. Not sure. Right here.
Hey Julia, take this picture of me, or hold this camera quick while it's taking a video. You don't have to push anything. To show how tall these rafters are. I barely touch them. And then right here is where it drops down in the living room upstairs, so that's lower. Just a little bit lower.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
How do you like our new washer and dryer?
Cool.
I think they're older than I am.
I can't even touch that.
I'll have to lower some of these so you can.